Observe question. Consider a two-way set associated cache with 256 blocks and uses LRU replacement technique. Initially, cache is empty. Conflict misses are those misses which occur due to the contention of the multiple blocks for the same cache set. Already we know what is conflict miss. Compulsory misses occur due to the first time access to the block. Already we know. The following sequence of access to the memory blocks 0, 128, 256 like that. He gave one sequence. Is repeated 10 times. The number of conflict misses experienced by the cache is dash. He asked the number of conflict misses only when these blocks are required by the CPU 10 times. Initially, all cache blocks are empty. Which technique it uses? LRU at the same time. What about n value? 2. What about CL? 256. Then what about S? 128. What about mapping expression? K mod S means 128. Okay? Now, this page is not sufficient. We go to visit next page. Already I wrote the order. Okay? Now look here. Be dedicated in this. How many sets are there? 128. Observe this. It is S0, S1, S2, S127. What about the first request? 0. 0 mod 128, where it maps to 0 only. Which type of miss it is? Compulsory miss first type. What about next one? 128. 128 mod 128, 0. Next, 256. 256 mod 128 means 0. Then, which type of technique it uses? LRU. That's why 0 is replaced with 256. Why? Associativity is 2. One set permits only 2 blocks. Next, what about next one? 128. Already available. That's why it is hit. Which type of miss it is? Compulsory. Next, for this, it is hit. It is not miss, it is hit. What about next one? After this, what about next one? 0. Already 0 is not there. That's why 256 is replaced with 0. Which type of miss it is? It is nothing but conflict miss. Conflict miss. What about next one? After 0, what about next one? 128. Already 128 is available. So hit. What about next one? 256. Not there. 0 is replaced with 256. So for 256 second time, so it is nothing but conflict miss. Next, after this 128, 128 is available. It is not miss, it is hit. After this 1 mod 128 means 1. Compulsory miss. What about next one? What about next one? 129. 129 also maps to same. 129 mod 128, same. It is also compulsory. Later, 257. 257, 1 is replaced with 257. Later, 129, already 129 is hit. For 257, it is compulsory. Later, 1 is not there. So 257 is replaced with 1. So it is nothing but conflict miss. Second time. Later, 129 already there, hit. Next, 257 not there. That's why for 257, 1 is replaced with 257. So it is conflict miss. Next 129 hit. So it is first time. After completion of first time, which blocks are available? After completion of first time, which blocks are available? 256, 128, 257, 129. Okay. How many total number of conflict misses after first time? After first time, total number of conflict misses, 4 conflict misses. Okay. Next. Before going to start second time, first find the blocks available in cache, 256, 128, 257, 129. What about first request? 0. So it is replaced with 0. So which type of miss it is? Conflict miss, second time onwards. What about next one? 128, already there. So it is hit. Next, 256, not there. So it is conflict miss. Next, 128, it is there. So which one it is? Hit. What about 0? Not there. So 256 is replaced with 0. So it is also conflict miss. Next, after 0, again 128, hit. Next, 256 not there. 0 is replaced with 256. Which type of miss? Conflict miss. Again 128, hit. Later 1. 257 is replaced with 1. So it is also conflict miss. Next, after this 129. So 129 is hit. After this 257 is not there. 1 is replaced with 257. For this one also conflict miss. Next 129 already there. 129 is hit. Later 1 is not there. 257 is replaced with 1. So conflict miss. Next 129 is there. So it is hit. What about next one? 257 not there. 1 is replaced with 257. Next 129 is there. So finally hit. So for first time, how many conflict misses? 4. Second time, how many conflict misses? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 257. 1 is replaced with 257. 8. Means after completion of first time, which blocks are available in cache? 256, 128, 257, 129. After completion of second time also same. 256, 128, 257, 129. Means only for first time it requires 4 conflict misses. Why? First time means compulsory misses will be there. From second time onwards, there will be no compulsory misses, only conflict misses, or sometimes capacity misses. That's why from second time onwards, 8 conflict misses, first time 4 conflict misses. The program is repeated for 10 times. Means, observe this, 4, it is the first time, plus what about 8 into remaining 9 times? So total number of conflict misses, 76. 8 and 72 plus 4, 76. So what about our answer? Answer is nothing but 76.